After a family member used my car recently, I got it back to find that my driver's side power window wasn't working on the one touch. You can see how pressing it down once on the passenger side worked appropriately, and then on the up phase it also worked with one touch as it should. On the driver's side, however, it would go down with one touch, but it wouldn't return, and unless you held the switch manually all the way, it wouldn't go up. It also had an odd feature where it would go up, and then when you'd let it go, it would come down half a centimetre. So I returned the window to the full up position, and then the solution on the web was advised to hold the switch in the upward position for 10 seconds or so whilst the window was up, and then you could release this, and I noted that at this point the window no longer dropped down half a centimetre, and then when I tried to use the switch again appropriately, all was in order and the window was back to one touch. I had seen on some other sites that it said you had to do this in the lower position. I didn't need to reset this, it worked with just the upheld position.